If you're encountering the declined by issuer error on Crypto.com, it typically means that your payment card or transaction was declined by your bank or card issuer. This can happen for several reasons, but you can follow these steps to resolve the issue. Check your card details. Double check that the card details are correctly entered on Crypto.com. Ensure that your card is activated and not expired. Contact your bank or card issuer. The error often originates from your bank or card issuer, so it's important to contact them. Ask if there are any restrictions on international transactions, online payments, or cryptocurrency-related transactions. Some banks may block transactions related to cryptocurrency exchanges for security or policy reasons. Ensure sufficient funds. Check that your account has enough funds to complete the transaction. A low balance or credit limit may lead to a declined payment. Use another payment method. If the issue persists, try using an alternative payment method, such as a different credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Try again later. If the issue is temporary, sometimes waiting and retrying the transaction after a few hours can help.